from your mouth, I'm gonna hyperventilate. I can't make a sound, stomach sinking to the ground. I wish my mind would just shut up again. I wish that I was regular and didn't overthink every single syllable and every single thing. Cause you know that I love you like that. Do you love me like that? I can make a good thing seem so bad every time I'm good with where we're at. My head will be the death of me. It's telling me you've already moved on when nothing's even wrong. I get a little nervous, you'll feel stuck, but then again I feel like I feel too much. I wish I could get comfortable without thinking that something's going on when nothing's even wrong. Over at your place, feeling like I'm in your way. I wonder if you're tired of me. You keep telling me to stay. Yeah, you want me every day. Are you saying that to make me happy? I wish that I was regular and didn't overthink every single second, every minute that we spent. Cause I don't wanna take it all back. Would you take it all back? I can make a good thing seem so bad every time I'm good with where we're at. My head will be the death of me. It's telling me you've already moved on when nothing's even wrong. I get a little nervous, you'll feel stuck, but then again I feel like I feel too much. I wish I could get comfortable without thinking that something's going on when nothing's even wrong. Every time I'm good with where we're at. Damn, I'm so embarrassed that I cared so much I put it in a song when nothing's even wrong. Get a little nervous, you'll feel stuck, but then again I feel like I feel too much. I wish I could get comfortable without thinking that something's going on when nothing's even wrong.
Take it all in. The hearts have spoken. Let it begin. A rush to my head and it's technicolor. A rush to my head. Into the depths, let it take me under. A rush to my head.